Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by closing all Office apps and saving work. This prevents data loss. Next, sign out of your Microsoft account inside one Office app so licenses detach. Once done, verify your Mac OS version and free disk space because system folders differ by release. Make sure you have a current time machine or external backup. If something goes wrong, you can restore. Finally, quit or disable sync services, like OneDrive temporarily, to avoid file conflicts during removal. You remove the visible apps first. Drag Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote from applications to the trash or use Launchpad for a clean uninstall. Next, open Finder's Go menu, hold Option, go to Library, and remove Microsoft-related files in Preferences and Application Support. Also check /library for system-wide components. Once those folders are cleared, empty the trash. Then restart your Mac to ensure launch agents and caches are released, and the system no longer references Office components. You finish by checking for leftover launch agents, launch daemons, and PKG receipts in /library and /library. Remove Microsoft keychain entries via keychain access. Once cleared, reset Finder caches with a restart and verify storage freed. If you plan to reinstall, download fresh installers after cleanup. If something goes wrong, like apps still launching, try restoring the deleted Office folders from your backup or run Microsoft's dedicated removal utility. This resolves stubborn kernel extensions and orphan services that manual steps might miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.